Welcome back to the USA Guide. Have you ever dreamed of visiting the United States but didn't know where to start? In this video, I'll walk you through 10 simple steps to help you understand the process of traveling to the United States. Let's begin. Step number 1. Choose your purpose. Decide why you want to go to the United States, either for tourism, study, work, business, or immigration. Step number 2. Pick the right visa. Apply for the visa that matches your purpose, such as a tourist, student, or work visa. Step number 3. Get a valid passport. Make sure your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your planned stay. Step number 4. Complete the visa application. Fill out the required documents online, visa application form carefully. Step number 5. Pay the visa fee. Pay the required visa application fee and keep the payment receipt. Step number 6. Schedule your visa interview. Book an appointment at the nearest US embassy or consulate. Step number 7. Prepare your documents. Gather your passport, visa application confirmation, financial proof, travel plans, and any supporting documents. Step number 8. Attend the visa interview. Answer the officer's questions honestly and confidently. Step number 9. Receive your visa. If approved, your passport will be returned with the US visa stamped inside. Step number 10. Book your trip. Buy your flight, arrange accommodation, and travel to the United States. At the airport, a border officer will make the final decision on your entry. Just follow these 10 simple steps and you will be one step closer to your dream trip to the United States. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more USA Guide. Thanks for watching.